I'm here with Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA. Thanks for coming to talk with us today, Jensen.
It's a great pleasure to be here, Clay. Congratulations on OCI and the exciting launch you guys are about to do.
Thanks. We're very excited for the launch of A100. I would love to learn a little bit more about what's going on with you guys in the data center business.
Clay, our data center business is doubling every year, and it's doubling off of really large numbers. And it's happening at a time when the type of software that's trained with AI really wants to be accelerated by GPUs. And we recognized that about 10 years ago, and we leaned into it really, really hard. And this is really what's been propelling our growth, this new type of software that's called deep learning, the big bang of AI today.
And what I'm so excited about with our most recent release of the A100 is that what we're hearing from customers is that there's a massive demand for larger and larger models. We're building on the impressive work that you guys have done.
The thing that you guys did that's going to be really helpful to enterprises around the world, by implementing a bare metal large cluster system, you could of course have parallelized GPUs on a per node basis using the NVLink that we created. But now you have NVIDIA Mellanox NICs that uses this technology called GPU Direct over RDMA that moves data around the different nodes by itself. The benefit of going fast for AI researchers is the ability to iterate on very large models to make the perfect model. I think the OCI implementation, the bare metal A100 with NVIDIA Mellanox NICs, that's really a fantastic infrastructure to offer.
Another area that I think you guys have done an amazing job with is how quickly can someone get spun up with the right tools? How quickly can they get access to the right software?
Yeah, accelerated computing is a very different type of computing model. The way that accelerated computing works, it really starts with an amazing processor, but includes the system software, the acceleration libraries, the algorithms that sits on top, and is what the industry calls domain-specific computing. Whether it's computer graphics or simulations like fluid dynamics or crash simulations or particle simulations, genomics processing to deep learning and data analytics, each requires its own domain-specific stack. We created this registry in the cloud that has all of these really complex software stacks perfectly tuned, updated, and all containerized so that all you have to do is pull it down, put it into the OCI instance, and spool up your machine. We made it possible for people to gain access to accelerated computing really cost effectively and really easily.
Now that you guys have made the largest kind of silicon chip ever, where do we go from here?
Well, we've put this technology together for the very first time, as you know. This is now a cluster scale, high performance computing platform using state-of-the-art technology with A100 and the Mellanox NICs. Now we want to put this in the hands of all the enterprise customers all over the world. We know very well now that every company is going to be in AI. And so I'm very excited about that.
Yeah, we're just as excited. One of the things we're most excited about here at Oracle is we offer the full complement of services. So obviously we have the newest A100 GPUs from NVIDIA. We have, a data science platform and a big data platform to enable those enterprise customers to move their data into our cloud and then to train their machine learning models on our platform. We also have things like our digital assistant and chatbots that actually run internally on top of that same infrastructure that we then enable that functionality into our SaaS applications, things like ERP systems and HCM systems. It really is impacting every single layer of our business and all of our customers' business.
We're going to put this technology in the hands of enterprise customers all over the world. I think that is the great next adventure for us. And it's really great to do it with Oracle.
Well, Jensen, I really appreciate you taking the time to speak with us today. I'm very excited for the work that we've done together, and I continue to be excited for the work we'll do in the future. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Clay. Great work with OCI.